Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at something called the Besyner USB Electric Knife Sharpener. You've probably seen the ads showing this tiny USB-powered device claiming to turn your dull knives into razor-sharp, professional-grade blades in just a few seconds. The website promotes it as a compact, convenient sharpener that works on all types of knives, using a 3-stage system and precision grinding wheels. It's marketed as something you can use anywhere, your kitchen, outdoors, or even while traveling since it runs on USB power. On the surface, it sounds like a useful little gadget, but let's break down what's really going on behind the scenes. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about the concerns surrounding this product, because there are quite a few. The first thing that really stands out is the marketing. Words like professional grade and factory sharp in seconds are thrown around everywhere, but there's no actual proof to support these claims. There are no demonstrations from real experts, no verified tests, and no engineering details to back it up. They don't provide even the most basic specifications. No grit level, no sharpening angle, no motor torque, nothing. For a tool that involves grinding metal, that kind of information is extremely important. And here's something even more concerning. The exact same sharpener is listed on Alibaba for under $2. That pretty much confirms that this product is a drop-shipped item, cheap, mass-produced hardware being resold at a huge markup. A USB-powered motor also raises questions, because these motors are normally too weak for real sharpening. They tend to overheat, stall, or damage blades because they don't have enough torque to handle pressure from harder or thicker knives. There's also no sign of safety certifications like CE, UL, or ETL, which are normally required for electric devices with spinning grinding wheels. There's no downloadable manual or any clear safety guidelines either, which is a big concern considering it involves rotating parts that can injure users or damage knives. The website itself hides a lot of important details. There's no company background, no physical address, and the support information is very minimal or unclear. Outside of their own website, there are 0 trustworthy customer reviews, no YouTube tests, and no third-party evidence showing that this sharpener actually works as advertised. It's all just marketing images and generic claims. They also use the typical drop-shipping style sales tactics: huge flashy discounts, buy more, save more bundles, limited stock timers, and upsells. All of this is commonly used by low-quality gadget sellers to pressure people into quick purchases. Based on similar sites that sell identical products, there's also the risk of delayed delivery, receiving the wrong item, or in some cases, not receiving anything at all. And finally, there's a real possibility that this sharpener could damage your knives. Without proper control, a weak motor and low-quality grinding wheel can grind unevenly, burn the metal, or chip the blade instead of sharpening it. So that's the situation with the Besyner USB Electric Knife Sharpener. It's presented as a high-tech professional tool, but everything points toward it being a cheap, low-quality product with big promises and no real evidence behind them. If you're going to invest in a sharpener, it's always better to go for something with verified performance, real specifications, and a brand you can trust.